Hey everyone, welcome back. 2026 Topps Baseball Tier 1. Opened a few boxes of these so far. Had some good luck and some not so good luck. So, once again, one pack, 4 cards, sometimes 5, sometimes 3, plus a redemption like the one you see in the background there. First card is a base card, could be numbered, but it's typically regular base. C.J. Abrams, 66 out of 60, orange parallel. I'm going to pull from the back here. Oh, I don't know if anyone saw that, but there is a redemption card. Another redemption card. Oh, boy. All right, we're going to try to just go from the front here because the redemption is going to be very cool. At a $2.99, Kyle Karros, auto for the Rockies. Okay, I'm going to just pull from the back. Ooh, Gunnar Henderson at a 99. 94 out of 99. Tier 1 patch. Very nice looking card. Alright, everybody. Another redemption. Another redemption. JW initials. JW. Who could it be? My mind is spinning. Ready? Breakout auto. Base. Alright. JJ Weatherholt. Very nice. Potential Rookie of the Year candidate. I will take that. Awesome. Alright guys, thanks everyone for watching. Come back and check for more videos. Thank you.